Welcome back to my channel, Smoking and Grilling with me, AB. Today, I'm getting ready to show you guys how I make a po' boy. That's right, a po' boy. And I know I've been putting out a lot of videos, you know, with that shrimp. I guess you guys are finding out right now that shrimp is one of my favorites. Hey, listen, and then to tie it all together, I'm getting ready to give you guys a recipe so you guys can make your own homemade remoulade, sauce. That right there is the binder. You're talking about a flavor profile that just can't be stopped. That's it. Hey, so with no further ado, let's get it in. Okay, first we want to start off by making our sauce. So what I did was started with the minced garlic, and I'm using a spoon right here to just, mash the minced garlic so that it'll blend, evenly. Then we go ahead and add our paprika, and then our mayonnaise. Then after our mayonnaise, we're gonna get ready to add our Creole or our Cajun seasoning. Now, when I added that, you'll see I added it just a little bit at a time, just so that you can get an even, mix. Here I come with the hot sauce. You can use hot sauce of your choice, but to be more traditional, you know what? You can go ahead and use Tabasco or Frank's Red Hot. And right here, you can see that's pickle juice. You can use either dill or sweet. I choose to use dill. Horseradish. And then your last ingredient will be your Creole Mustard. If you don't have Creole mustard, regular mustard will work just as fine. Now to prepare our shrimp, in a saucepan, you want to go ahead and use 2 tablespoons of butter. You want to melt that down. I started out on medium heat, then I went to like a low medium heat. Then you want to go ahead and add your minced garlic. And after that, then we go ahead and add our shrimp. Now listen, it doesn't take long for the shrimp to cook. So remember, just about 2 or 3 minutes, on each side. And here you see I'm just sprinkling some of the Cajun or the Creole seasoning. It's up to you which you use. I just like to evenly coat the shrimp as they're sauteing. And then right here, which I probably should have put in the very beginning, along with the garlic, is my W sauce. I'll just say that because it's hard for me to pronounce it. And then right here, I use that parsley. Love that parsley. Love just the way it brings that color to it. It's great for the presentation, and it brings a distinct flavor to the shrimp. And then when you're done, 2 or 3 minutes on that side, you flip them over, then you repeat the whole process over, and after that, then just go ahead and just set them off to the side. Now it's time to go ahead and assemble. And since we're doing a po' boy, we started off with some lettuce, some shredded lettuce. Just set that off, on the bottom, then come back with some tomatoes. It's up to you. Listen, if you're gonna replicate the po' boy, you got to go lettuce, tomato, and then here's the star right here. This is where you add your shrimp. Once you're done, loading up your shrimp on your po' boy, it's time to drizzle your remoulade sauce on top. And this right here, listen, it's up to you how much you want to put on there. I put mine on there. You can see about the amount that I put on there, but then I keep some in a bowl next to me, like a little sauce bowl, and I like to dip it in there also. So with that being said, here you go. This is my version of a po' boy. Enjoy. So tell me what you guys think about that right there. Hey, listen, this is a po' boy. This is actually, my version of a po' boy. It's not so traditional because I didn't use a fried shrimp. But either way, with these Creole shrimp sauteed in that pan, I promise you, you're talking about packing a lot of flavor. And then to top it all off, that remoulade sauce right there, you know what? That right there was, hey, you know what? I don't want to over talk it. You guys got to check it out. You know what? The recipe is down in the description box below. If you don't do nothing, at least make the sauce. I'm gonna tell you why. Cause listen, it goes good with not only just having a po' boy, but it goes good with, man, any type of appetizer. Man, you can dip fried zucchini strip. I mean, listen, anything you can think of that you can dip, you looking for that Creole, that ooh-wee taste, that's it right there. So, listen, if you're new to my channel, let me go ahead and just say thank you, for watching. Welcome to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe. And if you like this video, go ahead and smash that like button. And with that being said, you guys, you know what? I'm out. Peace.